Hi everybody, Ellen Canner. I'm going to show you how to get your holiday on in 5 minutes with 5 ingredients. Start with a dozen medjool dates. They're the ooey gooey super caramelly dates, and 8 dried apricots. You will see these are not gorgeous. They're not sulfured either. So when you don't have to add an additive that doesn't add to you, I don't do it. They are still delicious and tart. I have a cup and a half of walnuts, my favorite nut, high in omega-3, and half a teaspoon each of anise seed, that's the mildly licoricey one, and cardamom. I love it. All these come together in a recipe I have in my book, Feeding the Hungry Ghost, that I call Multifaith Sweetness and Light Sugar Plums. All you have to do is bung all those things in the food processor and give it a couple pulses. I'm exhausted. Really, this is that easy. Once everything is pretty much the consistency of wet sand, all you have to do is scrape up about a walnut-sized piece, roll it into a ball, and give it a roll in powdered sugar and cinnamon. I like about a teaspoon of cinnamon for half a cup of powdered sugar. I think it really brings up the sweetness and spice without adding extra sugar. And you keep going. So easy. And when you're done, they look like this. It's an easy breezy way to get your holiday on. I call these Multifaith Sweetness and Light Sugar Plums. Sugar plums actually used to mean dried fruit of any kind. Dried fruit and nuts were how people got by in the winter because they didn't have access to a lot of fresh fruit, but dried fruits and nuts are nutrient dense and helped people get through in hard times. The Italians often celebrate the Christmas holidays with frutta secca, dried fruits and nuts. And I think it's the origin of fruitcake. Don't make a face. It really gave people energy and sweetness, and that's what we need to get through this winter more than ever. It's vegan, it's delicious, it's 5 minutes, you can do it. I'm gonna have some now. So, till next time, people, keep the faith. A little Multifaith Sweetness and Light Sugar Plums do for everyone. Be well. See you next time.